Research and traditional use have shown that Yellowdock herb has several medicinal properties. This video will give an overview of this herb's characteristics, traditional uses, potential health benefits, and scientific research. Note, this is not medical advice. See your doctor for that. Yellowdock is scientifically known as Rumex crispus. It has long, slender leaves with wavy edges and distinctive yellow flowers that bloom in dense clusters. It typically grows up to 3 to 4 feet tall and has a deep taproot. This taproot is typically used for its medicinal benefits, but the seeds and leaves can also be used. The leaves are edible but should be boiled to reduce its oxalic acid content. Yellowdock is native to Europe, North America, and other temperate climates. It thrives in disturbed areas, fields, meadows, and along roadsides. Yellowdock contains anthraquinone glycosides such as amodin and rhine, which have laxative antioxidant properties. These are believed to contribute to its traditional use as a remedy for constipation. These compounds have astringent properties known to help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Yellowdock root contains flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Yellowdock root has a long history of use in European herbal traditions, where it has been used to support digestive health, cleanse the liver, and promote overall wellness. Indigenous peoples of North America also used yellowdock for various medicinal purposes, including treating digestive complaints, skin conditions, and infections. They also used it as a laxative, blood purifier, and tonic herb. Native American peoples of the Southwest have also used yellowdock root powder to relieve rashes and skin infections. Yellowdock root has also been traditionally used to support digestive health. It has been shown to stimulate bile production and flow, which can improve appetite and relieve constipation. It contains compounds known as anthraquinones, which have laxative effects. Yellowdock is believed to protect the liver and promote its detoxification function. It is often used in herbal formulas for liver cleansing and support. Yellowdock is also believed to help eliminate toxins and waste products from the body, promoting overall health and well-being. Research confirms many of these benefits, with evidence of yellowdock's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive aid properties. A 2018 study from India Scarwal University found that yellowdock plants had anti-inflammatory, antifungal, anti-dysentery, antibacterial, and anti-hypertensive properties. A 2011 study from the University of Belgrade found that yellowdock fruits and seeds reduced oxidative stress. A 2021 University of Adelaide study on 35 people tested yellowdock and gingivitis. The patients had a history of periodontal disease. They were given a rinse for 3 times a day of yellowdock for 14 days, or given a placebo. The yellowdock group had significantly less adhesion of gum disease bacteria in their teeth and gums after 7 and 14 days compared to the placebo group. A 2014 study tested 45 people with melasma, a skin pigment issue. They were given a cream with a Western version of yellowdock or a placebo. The research found that those who used the dock cream showed significant lightening improvement compared to the placebo group. Yellowdock leaves can be used as a poultice or boiled and made into a tea. The roots and seeds can be dried, chopped, and used as a raw powder. Yellowdock supplements and tinctures are also readily available. Talk to an herbalist about dosage and talk to your doctor if you think you have a medical condition. Take care of yourself.